So we're gonna start off with the hopper. This is where all the dominoes get placed in. We can put the dominoes through the top here. In the top, there's a filter that allows only a certain amount of dominoes to go down at a time. I have a little hole here so you can kind of see what's going on. We have the head here with a motor. There's a DC motor, TT 90:1 ratio. We have the stand here that's connected to the hopper stand. This hopper moves back and forth and hits off these legs here, causing an impact on the inside, causing the dominoes to shift back and forth. Once a domino comes out, it will go into this shaker. Once the shaker is turned on, the idea is that it will go back and forth, causing the dominoes to even out down this little path here into the one shot, or into like the one domino. I have a motor driver H-bridge here. This one is for the vibrator. The vibrator is a DC motor that I superglued a nut to. And the actual DC motor runs off this H-bridge here, where I'm using one side and Luke is using the other side.
So for my part, it goes into the single domino detection. So this sensor right here will detect the domino coming through, and then this rack and pinion will slide up this way, allowing the domino through, and then it'll reset, and the dominoes will then slide down this slide into the hatch, and then the hatch will go down, readjust the domino into the correct position, then take its reading whether to see if it's a color or if it's black, and then it will make a decision on what to do with this. So it'll either clamp and rotate, and then it'll drop it, or it'll just clamp and drop it, and then it will fall down here into Jacob's.
So my system will take the black side of the domino, and then it'll use the sensor to determine whether or not the black side is facing the sensor. And then if the black side is facing the sensor, it'll open this rack and pinion system, which will then start driving the car itself into a domino run, which will be placed in 0.75-inch intervals.
Okay, so we have a few failure points. Right here, the dominoes can get stuck, so we might put our hands in there to rearrange them around. Right here, we put graphite on the slide to make it slide better, but sometimes it still won't slide all the way down in time, so we might push it down right here. Let's say my thing did mess up and the color side was facing Jacob's sensor. It won't go forward, so we're gonna have to pick it up and pull that domino out and reset it back in place. And I think those are the only, and sometimes they might get stuck up in here in this filter, so we might have to put our hands in there and fix that. But
We never talked about the counter on the OLED either.
So we also have a user interface right here, and it tells you what to click to get the different kind of domino runs you're looking for. So we're just going to do the line right now to show off for the first part.